do that, you need to get up and get at getting your goals. You need to have a proper education, whether it is vocational education or it is education in a school, in a proper school. You really, really need to have education to be able to forge ahead in life. A very good afternoon to you. You're still tuning and listening to Diamond 88.7 FM in Loring, and this is a special program sponsored by the Thomas Adewumi University. It is brought to you live on Diamond FM, and this afternoon we'll be having interactions with gentlemen from Thomas Adewumi University. Any question you would like to ask, if you have concerns, if you have questions, if you want to make inquiries, this is the platform where you get to do all that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. My name is Bisola Uduwale Suleiman, and I have with me in the studio this afternoon, I have Dr. Ishola James Arosiola. He is the Dean Faculty of Management and Social Sciences. A very good morning. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Good afternoon.
It's good to have you on the program.
It's good to see you also.
All right, and we're not alone. We also have Dr. Farobi Samuel Toby is the head of Department Biological Sciences. Good afternoon, Doc.
Good afternoon to listeners at home.
All right, good to have you on the program. Now, we're talking about Thomas Adewumi University this afternoon. But before we go into the nitty-gritty of what the university does, what that higher institution of learning does, we need to get a brief overview of what the university is. What exactly do you stand for? Where are you located? Let me start with you, Dr. Ishola.
Thank you very much. Once more, greetings to our listeners, different parts of the country. Thomas Adewumi University, Oko Irise, is in Oko, very close to Omuaran, Irekpodun local government. The university was licensed April 2021, along with 19 other universities. And by the grace of God, we started operation immediately after the license. And that was in 2021. This is our father, the founder of the university, Chief Dr. J.O.B. Adewumi, has passion for education, and he has a lot of intentions. He wants to achieve what he wants to achieve to make sure that education gets to the grassroots. You see, he wants to make sure education is affordable to people, especially in the grassroots. Secondly, he wants to make sure that students that cannot get admission in federal or state universities, they have access to education. And not only that, he decided to take this university to, a local area, especially his village, because he has concern for people in the rural areas. So that's why the university is located there. And the mission is to train people in the area of science, in the area of medicine, in the area of management, and so on and so forth. So that's Thomas Adewumi in a brief. I don't know, let me say something about the faculties we have.
I was about to ask Dr. Farobi that, but you can go ahead and tell us, what courses does your university offer? What courses can somebody come to that university to study?
Thank you very much. When we started 2021, we had 3 faculties. But we are happy to be here this afternoon. It's a good news that we've added additional 3 faculties, less than just about 2 years. Yes. We have Faculty of Management and Social Science, where we offer courses like economics, business administration, sociology, mass communication, and accounting. We also have Faculty of Computer and Applied Sciences, where we offer courses like computer science, software engineer, microbiology, biochemistry, physics with electronics, chemistry, and mathematics. And we also have Faculty of Basic and Medical Science, where we have nursing, MLS, that is medical laboratory science. We also do anatomy, physiology. And good news now is that just about a month ago or 2 months ago, the NUC has also approved under that faculty that we can now run public health and environmental health sciences. That is the Faculty of Basic and Medical Science. We also have Faculty of Law that just started about a year ago. The last time I came here, it was only 3 faculties. Then we have Faculty of Law, so we are running law in courses. Then another good news is this engineering faculty. People have been asking us, where are you going to start engineering faculties? By God's grace, the last 1 month, the NUC gave us approval. They came for resource inspection and they gave us approval to start 5 courses under the Faculty of Engineering. That is electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, and communication engineering. And the last faculty is Faculty of Arts. And we are starting with English and Literary Studies. These are the faculties that we have now, and these are the new things that we want the public to know that our university, they are now offering all these
All
courses.
these courses. All right, that's beautiful. It's great news to know that you have variety of courses that
Yeah.
people can actually offer and register for in your university.
Yes.
Now let's
Okay.
quickly talk about. You mentioned affordability
Please
earlier,
listen to these
because
announcements.
a lot of times when people hear stories or they hear information about private universities, the first thing that comes to mind is it must be really really expensive. But you mentioned affordability. How affordable is the fees in your school, in Thomas Adewumi University, Dr. Farombi?
All right, thank you very much. Thomas Adewumi University is a legacy project, as we have said. And our goal, or the goal of the founder, is to make university education accessible and affordable. Our fees ranges from 300,000 naira and above. We have professional courses, so we have different fees for those courses. But the top-notch information about Thomas Adewumi University is that we have two fascinating things about our school fee. Number one, we have the student loans that allow students to access loans. Once you have 20% of the school fee, then you can be enrolled and admitted into the institution and then start learning. Secondly, our fees are also paid instrumentally. So these two features combined together allows everyone who is qualified. If you have a minimum of JAM stipulated score of 140 and who is qualified to study with your 5 level credits in your course of study, you can be admitted to Thomas Adewumi University.
All right. I like the fact that you mentioned student loan, because I was about to ask. 300,000 is not small money in the Nigeria of today. And a lot of people feel, okay, is there a better way to actually go around this? People want quality education, but it is not cheap. Education is not cheap. Now, one thing I want to ask about the student loan is how accessible is it, and what is the payment plan like? Is it after they graduate or before they graduate? What exactly is the plan like for students who are qualified to access that loan and are able to actually do so?
All right, so let me make some further clarifications on the loan. Our student loan is a scheme that allows students to learn in the different stages. Now, let me use a student coming into 100 level as an example. So, if a student wants to study, let me say, law, and then you want to pay for law, you can just pay 20% of the fees.
Okay.
You will be admitted, and then you fund the loan at the rate of 15% as you go forward. Now, but if you are not able to liquidate that loan, you want to proceed to another level, you can also proceed to another level. We are in partnership with a loan agency that allows us to be able to do that. So those people are funding the education of the students enrolled in our university. Now, if you are not able, if the candidate is not able to make the payment, the repayment, such candidates would then be offered employment after graduation, upon graduation, so that such candidates will now be able to pay for this loan. In all, the goal and objective is that the common man should be able to access quality education. Let me add that the quality of education that is being offered at Thomas Adewumi University is that of a world-class standard. You need to be on our campus to see the state-of-the-art facilities we have. The building is attractive. The facilities we have, our laboratories are equipped. If you have professors visiting our campus, the fascinating thing is always that, okay, do we have this in public universities and do we have this in Thomas Adewumi University? So the facilities we have, our lecturers are equipped and top notch. They are preparing the student. They have one-on-one contact with the student. Now, entrepreneurship is a very, very important thing at Thomas Adewumi University. Upon graduation, every student must have compulsorily completed 150 hours of community service, and you must obtain 2 digital skills. Now, this is very, very important because you should not just graduate to be job seekers, but you must be able to provide job.
Right.
You have the requisite digital skills. Every student graduating must, whether you're studying nursing, you're studying law, you must have that skill.
So it doesn't matter what course you are studying.
It doesn't matter what
Entrepreneurship
course
is
you,
one
yes,
of the requirements for
entrepreneurship is
graduation.
very, very important. You must. Entrepreneurship is a key thing at Thomas Adewumi University.
Mm.
Sometimes when the last matriculation ceremony, you could see students of nursing handling cameras already doing that. They have been trained. You just spend a year in the university and then you have the skills already. You have the skills in photography already. So you are learning and you're also completing community service that allows you to be empowered for the 21st century world.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Parabi. Now, Dr. Arasola, this one is for you. Your school is offering admission right now.
Yeah.
However, there are different modes in which a lot of people can gain admission into higher institutions of learning. There's the direct entry, there's the JAM.
Yes.
What is the admission process like for prospective students in your university?
Thank you very much. We have student that comes in through JAMP, which is and we have student that comes in through direct entry.
All right.
Now, if you want to come into 100 level through JAMP, you know, you must have done JAMP, and then they have scored a certain number of scores. A minimum for universities and for our university, the minimum is 140.
Right.
Okay, once you score 140 for our programs, you are qualified for any of our programs.
Right.
In fact, that is what is approved by the NUC. Right. Yeah, you must have your O level in various disciplines, especially English and mathematics is compulsory for almost all the courses. You see, then there are some courses you have to do. For example, somebody who wants to do accounting must have at least credit in account or bookkeeping or whatever they call it. You know, all those, that one is there. But if you want to come through direct entry, you know, you have to have minimum of two A levels. Minimum of two A levels. Now, you can have 3 and so on and so forth. Then if you have ND, National Diploma, that is from recognized polytechnics, and NCE from recognized colleges of education, you see, you can also come to 200 level in our university. Now, Thomas Adewumi, we have introduced IGMB again. You know, there's admission is still ongoing for IGMB, IGMB courses. We run IGMB program in our institution now. Tell us more about that. You see, so that students, you'll be able to do some of the A-level courses, you see, in the IGMB. And once you pass at least 2 A-level out of the 3, you see, and you have at least 4 points, you'll be able to come into our university. This is another avenue for students that have A-level to come to 200 level. So this is the mode of, the requirements in terms of qualification that they must possess before they can come to our university.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Arasola. Now, this IGMB, you need to enlighten us more about it. There are so many people who are looking for admissions, or they're trying to find something doing before they gain admission. They want to go to school, do their A levels. What is the process like? The admission is currently on, like you said. What do they need to do? What are the requirements to get into the IGMB program? And where will the IGMB program take place? Is it in town? Do you have a center off campus, or is it in the school premises as well?
Okay, let me explain more about the IGMB program. Now, we have two category of students who are qualified to actually enroll in our IGMB program. Students who have enrolled for their certificate exams, either WAEC or NECO, and then they have their complete O-level results, can actually enroll into the IGMB program. Those that also are awaiting their results can also enroll into this, or those that have deficits in one subject or the other and they want to obtain an A-level degree, they can do that. They can enroll for our IGMB program. Forms can be obtained on the university website. On the university website, our university website is www.tau.edu.ng. I will take that again. www.tau.edu.ng. So forms for our IGMB program and our full-time degree programs can be obtained on this program. Additionally, they can also call our contact numbers. So they can also call our contact numbers to be able to access the form. The contact numbers to call is 090 53 92 98 99. I will take that again. 090 53 92 98 99. There's an alternative contact number again. So that is 070 39149150.
All right.
These two contact numbers can be used to make more inquiries or to locate our liaison office. We have a liaison office opposite KWARA Hotel in Ilorin here. So if you want first-hand information about Thomas Adewumi University, you can just go opposite KWARA Hotel in Ilorin here. You will be able to get the forms there, and then be able to get enrolled into the IGMB program and our full-time degree programs.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Fowley, for that. Now, we will be taking a couple of calls. If you have questions, if you want to make more inquiries, if you have burning questions about the programs at Thomas Adewumi University, do let us know. You can call us at 091